Hey, Zach Winberg here with Industrial Solutions, and Drawing to Weld 2026 is right around the corner. This is our 6th year doing the show, so wanted to let you know what you can expect to see in 2026. Just like every year, we're going to have about 30 to 40 different pieces of automated fabrication equipment for tube, pipe, structural steel, sheet metal, and pressure vessels. So if you're a fabricator that needs to integrate some automation to keep up with workload, this is an event you want to take part in. You don't have to deal with the crowds like you would at a fab tech, and you're also not grouped in with 3, 4, or 15 other companies like you get at an open house. This is an appointment-based event. We have appointments available at 8 a.m. and at 1 p.m. It does take 4 to 4.5 hours to see all the equipment running live, but what that gives you is the opportunity to ask very specific questions about the challenges that your shop faces and the applications you get into. If that's of interest to you, take a look at our schedule, see what times we have open. We do book up pretty quickly. If that first week reaches capacity, we will open up that second week, so keep an eye on that. If that's of interest to you, take a look at this video, see what kind of equipment we're going to have on display this year. We hope to see you in June.